Hey, I don't know about y'all, but you gotta be mindful whenever you put tire shine on your car, you put that bitch in track or sport, you gotta be mindful because, dog, when I tell you, there's a lot of horses under on top of these tires, man. You gotta be mindful, indeed, how much you really click that.
What?
You know what I'm saying? How much you hit the gas, because low-key you get to sliding around and stuff and you don't even realize it. So you gotta be mindful of that. Kia K5 pretty tough, I ain't gonna need to lie. It's gonna be the first POV drive in the big orange crush mobile. In the 6.4 Hemi Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. 1 of 1. You know what I'm saying? Got the orange details inside of here. Pretty tough. What we're actually gonna do is exchange these for glow lights eventually. Get star lights on the headliner, etc. My bad, I got all this stuff in the car, bro. There's stuff everywhere, bro. That's where you can hit it. Like, bruh, that nigga just got in my lane, bruh. Like, he driving slow as shit. I had to get over real quick because it's a lot of horses. Okay then.
Hi. Okay.
Shit. Oh, I'm tripped. Yeah.
You know what you did, Chally?
I swear I would. But the color's nice though. See, in that. Hey, I'm done trolling though. I'm done trolling. Yo, I'm gonna be honest though. You hit that boy and when they get in your lane, bro, that's the one thing you gonna get upset about when you got fast cars, bro. It's like people just be driving like slow, like, but I'm like, hold on. To be honest, it was me driving fast. So, but I'm chilling out though. She wanna pop a pill, get on my nerves.
What?
Bro, it be all stuff all in the freaking car. Well, in the car, on the road. But there's actually a lot of stuff in my car too. Like this water bottle has been here for 327 days. 7 hours to be exact.
Nerd.
You
know what you did, Chally?
Trolling, bro. It's not been here now. But I'm low-key really liking this interior on here. One thing that I would, one thing that I do desire about changing my interior is actually the cloth seats. Little ASMR for y'all real quick, my fault. Yeah, I promise I won't do that again. But I can't believe the little Kia, and of course it's a Kia, bro. That's literally the Kia that just cut me off, bro. If y'all see this Kia in traffic, bro, make sure y'all slam y'all brakes on him or something like that to him, cause like, bro, he just literally like, I'ma still blame it on him. Of course I am. Why wouldn't I? But I hope y'all like this POV drive. I know y'all gonna like this POV drive. And I'm gonna drop these frequently too, for real. I'm gonna get y'all these bad boys, especially when the exhaust modifications come. And that's gonna be trim ski. You dig. Make sure I hit that like button, hit that sub button, hit that post notification bell as well. You dig ski. You dig ski. Bro, I told my shorty I was gonna be on the way like 40 minutes ago. It's been like, I told her I was gonna be on the way 40 minutes ago, but I said I was gonna be on my way in 10 minutes. And yeah, beyond the time mark I gave her. She's a little upset. She doesn't really play about her time, which is understandable. But yeah, it's actually gonna be a nice day. I'm not gonna be able to continue this video too much longer, but I'm gonna get a few night shots, you know, little night shots, POV drive, night shots. I think you guys are really gonna like the night shots. Bro's slamming a monster. That's why he can't draw the freaking kid, because he don't know how to. He's overstimulated, bro. The kid right there, bro. Overstimulated. Fuck. And so the night shots are gonna be nice in addition to the, you know, the slight pulls we have already in the POV drive of the 2024 Dodge Challenger Scat at 392, 1-of-1 limited edition. You dig? But I'm about to pull up at my Booski house real quick, kiss on her forehead a couple times because I miss her. I'll talk to you guys in a few. Chill out. Yo. Hi guys. Just checking in. Finishing the vlog. Let me disconnect my audio really fast. There's no crazy driving gonna be happening from this point on in the video. Luckily we got a pull earlier because there's a person in the car with me, and she does not want me to do any crazy driving or like, no, you know. So let's just blame it on her, okay guys? So she can't be I can't be having her around that shit. Bro, they be building so many cribs around this boy. It's honestly crazy. They be like huge too. Let's just blame it on her. The baby is the reason why we are driving slow like grandpas. Cause you know I'm a, you know what I'm saying, I'll be cutting up and shit. Fuck. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that. But God, look at that Durango. Shit's mad clean. It's a GT though. But I'm gonna be making videos like these more often, like I mentioned earlier today in this video. But yeah, it's mainly what I'm excited for. Why did I just not get off? I should have got off, but it's okay. This upcoming week about to be crazy. I got some I have like a training. I got a training for like some organizational work that I'm doing for the following weekend, which is gonna be crazy. I low key, it's so big I can't even record that shit, chat. That's how you know it's crazy. I literally can't even. Like, damn, bro, should I just be a fan? Like, should I just be a fan and just go and pay tickets for the event, bro? Like, I literally cannot even record anything, bro. Last time I did that was crazy, though. I probably shouldn't have did that. But hey, I think it low-key grabbed attention and made, you know, people around me like me more. Damn, look at that. What? That's a 430i. Challengers and Scats and Hellcats. That's how we coming. You dig?
Hi.
Okay.
But y'all, so why was I at the event? I'm literally fucking recording on live television, bro. And my goofy ass did not care. I'm getting that content regardless. But I would not do that again though, because I can low-key cook you. Because you look like, you know, just from the outside looking in, it's not really a good look. But, you know, it is what it is. You live, you learn. And somehow the car is still working in my favor. But my exit gonna be sometime soon. So this really just finna be like I'm about to stop recording now because I got pretty much all the finishing touches that I needed. The next one will definitely be longer though, so don't even worry about that. The next POV drive will be longer, but I'm also in the car with people, you know what I'm saying? This ain't none of my people that be in you know, fast cars and shit, ghetto shit, hood rat. But yeah, make sure y'all smack that like button. Y'all already know. I don't even have to tell y'all. Y'all already did everything. So now it's just about, you know, continuing to put one foot in front of the other and just keep the wheel rolling. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. None of this is possible without you guys, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.